Hey there traders, welcome to Nifty Analysis. I'm Raksha and welcome back to our market wrap. This is day 4 here with Bhumi's Trend Stars, Bhumi 2.0, Bhumi Absolute, how trades are taken, when we are entering the trade, when we are ignoring to enter. All these things are here and it is suggested for everyone to watch the entire video so that you will understand how to trade Bhumi with absolute levels so that your losses will be so much managed that in the end of the day you will be with profit 100%. 100% guarantee that after all the trades and all, you will be exiting the day, you will be closing your laptop with decent and handsome profit per day. Okay, so starting with this, today weekly expiry madness. Market is sideways, going up, going down. Most of the people avoid to take the trades during expiry days, especially the intraday traders. But here they have taken the trades with Bhumi, where it has given the entries and how we have taken the trades. What was the journey today with Bhumi on the day of expiry? So let's start with Adani Ports. In Adani Ports, it gave the downtrend star here at 9:15, but it's in black zone, so we are not entering the trade. One sell label was here at 12:30. But the reason we didn't take the trade, although it gave us the pinpoint target here, the reason was it was an uptrend, so we avoid a sell in uptrend. So that is the reason we didn't take the trade. If we would have taken the trade, our entry was the 12:45 candle here, and our profit would be around 2 rupees 55 paisa in Adani Ports. Okay, so now next is Ambuja. It's not a part of Nifty 50, but it's like special the favorite one, so that's why I've kept it added in the list. So in Ambuja again, the star was in black zone, so no trade as per our Bhumi, and we did not enter any kind of trades when it's in black zone. And if you're using a lighter mode, it will be in white zone. So except green zone and red zone, we are not entering the trade in the other one. So no trade in Ambuja. Asian Paint, a very beautiful trade was there. See the rally it gave. The reason I did not take the trade was the single candle has given the both targets in a single candle here in 9:15. I did not take the trade and later on I regret for it and was looking for the other trades again. But if we would have taken the trade, you know, it would be around around 50-60 rupees. So although Bhumi star with the green signal, no trade taken in Asian Paints practically, so no trade here. In Axis Bank, the star was in black zone, we did not take the trade. And again there was a sell label, but it was 12:30, it was 2:30, and so your entry would be around at 2:45. No entries taken after 2 o'clock, so no trade in Axis Bank. Well, in Bajaj Finserv, it gave a perfect entry here at 1:45. Although it was 2 o'clock, but still the entry was very good, and SL was too near, and it was so tempting to take the trade, and everything was good. It was downtrend, the star was there. I read the first transition of the red zone from green zone. So I took the trade here on 2 o'clock candle, on the opening of this candle, and the profit here was still EOD, and the profit was around 109 points here for 125 lots, you know. So the profit, you know, it would be 13,625 for Bajaj Finserv. We burned the hands also. It will be coming in next scrolling. So in Bajaj Auto, the trend star was here at 15:15. No point in taking trade, and also it was in black zone even if it was within the time. In Bajaj Finance, then a proper sell with a star and a red zone, everything was here. The only thing which was not there was the breakout of the candle. So precisely we didn't take the trade because when the candle was broke, it was a breakout was given, by 2 o'clock candle, and entry would be at 2:15, so we avoided this trade. In Bank Nifty, as per star, the star was here in black zone, so no trade. Then again the sell was here at 2:30 candle, but it was post 2 o'clock, so no trade in Bank Nifty. Bharti Airtel burnt the hand. It gave a beautiful buy candle here, and it did not break its latest high, the last one, which was there in the 19th of May. So it just reversed from this, and the SL hit was of ₹5. So there was a loss in Bharti Airtel. Well, it gave a sell here at 12:15, but we didn't enter the trade because the risk reward was not good, and although it started range bounding here, so just try to avoid here. BPCL, no trade because both the stars, one in the downtrend and one in the uptrend here, the both were in black zones, no trade zone, no trade in BPCL. Then Britannia gave a sell here, 11:45, proper sell. The entry candle was at 12 o'clock. SL is above the line here, and the nearest pivot here was the green line here. So this was a just missed the SL, and luckily we just didn't get the hit. But one thing I need to tell you, that if suppose this is the SL, always put SL few points above that, because sometimes these wicks, the shadows come here and just touch it and then goes back. This is to just hit your SLs and take you out of the market. So try to put a few points above or below the lines for SL. So okay, in this Britannia, the entry was at 12 o'clock. It gave us our first target and exited at DOT with a profit of 23 rupees in Britannia. Now coming to Cipla, no trade because the downtrend star was in black zone, and the sell was first thing first was an uptrend. The sell we would avoid the sell, and if it would be a downtrend also, there was no sell because it didn't give the breakout here from the red line, and it's post time also, so no trade there. Now in Coal India, it gave a sell buy here at 11 o'clock with star, but the risk to reward is not good, so avoided the trade, so no trade in Coal India. In Dr. Reddy's, no trade. Here it was there, but it's in black zone, so no trade. Eicher Motor, we give a star here at 2:45, no trade, it's in a black zone, so no trade here. In Gale, the uptrend was in black zone, so no trade. In Grazim, the downtrend star was at 9:15 candle and it was in black zone, so no trade. The sell's label was at end of the day, so no trade. SGFC again, no trade, the same thing, star in black zone, and the sell was the end of the day. Now HDFC Bank, again same ditto thing, the star is in black zone at 2:15 candle and sell at EOD around at 2:45, so no trade here. In Hero MotoCorp, it gave a buy here on the first day of candle. It's 9:15 candle. It touched the first target of green line, but it gave a breakout. So there was a chance that okay, it will give the second target also. So we enter the trade here because SL is too near and comparative to the profit. So entered here on the 9:30 candle, and slowly it touched the target once, but it went back, waited for the trade because until unless it doesn't touch the green line again, so I would hold the trade practically. So it gave me the target here, and by the EOD I was in profit of ₹31 in Hero Moto. Now Hindustan Lever, Hindustan Unilever, again it just burned the hand. It gave a buy at 9:45, again the perfect candle, but somehow market turned down and hit the SL of ₹9.65. It was a very bad one, but still it was, as it's my favorite one, this candle. I just took the trade here, although the SL was too far for Hindu Unilever, but took the trade and it just hit the SL. Now coming to ICICI, no trade here. The downtrend star is in black zone and sell it after 2:30, so no trade. IndusInd Bank gave a star, but the risk to reward is bad here from between this green and red line, these two levels, the target and the entry level. So the risk to reward is not good. Also, it was at 2 o'clock. So even if the risk to reward was good, we would try to avoid it in intraday. Bharti Airtel, again the same thing. Bharti Airtel gave a buy at 10 o'clock candle. It started giving the rejection at the earlier green line of yesterday's absolute level. Started giving the rejections. It turned down, but again the entry was taken at 10:15 candle based on our buy signal here, and by the end of the day kept it like till the end of the day, and once it's turned here to the sell. I exit the trade, and the loss of rupees 2.1 in Bharti Airtel and Infratel, sorry, that was Infratel. And IOC here, it gave a star in black zone, so no trade. The buy was already too high for the entry. The SL is far and target is too near, so no trade in IOC. ITC again, a very beautiful trade. A trade here it was given. The RR is not good as per our rules. So practically did not take the trade again, missed it just like Asian Paints. So fine, no trade here in ITC. Well, if it would have been taken, we would have taken it when this candle, this was breakout, and here at 12 o'clock, around 12 o'clock candle, the target here is first is the blue line. By the EOD it would be 9 rupees 90 paisa, and for the next target, again I'll just repeat, for the next target you can always go for the previous levels here. There are no previous levels here, so I would go for this previous swing high for the target, like here, or these highs, this support and resistance zone like here. So it just touched 189.90, so that was the target. It's this again a new tip for you guys to just check how can we go for the intraday targets here. Well, in no trade in ITC practically, so let's move on to next one. It's JSW Steel. I don't like it personally because it's always very bad, but with Bhumi we like everything. So here it gave a buy with the candle. It pierced the candle. It was a mistake taken for the buy because the reason was it already pierced the candle and it was too far. The risk to reward is not that, and there was no good SL here, and the SL hit was 1.5 here. So in JSW the SL hit, the sell was here again, but it was 230. So no trade based on star and sell label here. So no trade afterwards after hitting a SL of 1.5 in JSW Steel. Now coming to Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank again gave a beautiful candle with the star and sell symbol together at the same time with the downtrend and transition of the zone, but it was above red line, so avoided it. Plus it was at the candle of 215, so avoided the trade. Nestle India, a very small scalp here, gave a sell at 115 candle, sell star and zone, and by the EOD there was a profit of 31 rupees in Nestle. Nifty 50, the star was here in the black zone, so no trade. NTPC, it gave a sell at 945, but the risk to reward is not good here, so avoid the trade here. ONGC, again the star was at 915 candle in black zone, and then sell was here at 945, but it just rejected this green line, and the sell would be valid once if it would have given the breakout here at the green. So there was no breakout, so no trade. Power Grid entered here in the SL at the sell here with the star at 945. The sell was here again, but it was a doji, so and also in a green one, so I avoided this one. But once it gave me the sell here, just entered here, and when it started giving the dojis one by one again and again, so I just exit the trade on this candle. Although it was an early exit, it was good that I exit early, but my intuition was bad in this one, so I exited with no profit, no loss. Now coming to Reliance, Reliance gave us a buy here at 9:15 candle. Enter the trade on 9:30 candle. The target is this green zone, and SL is this red one. Risk to reward is not that good, but it gave a very strong rejection at this red line on the day, so that means there was a good buying pressure here in this particular stock. So took some risk over this and entered here 9:30, and it just touched the target. Exited here with a profit of 23 rupees. One more thing, yesterday in my market app I said that there was a sell yesterday. I'm talking about 20th of May. There was a sell, but there was a green star, so the sell was not taken. So now it's a buy. In the continuation, there was a green star, so it's an uptrend. There's one more confirmation for going buy in this trade. So that was the reason the trade was taken. Here, these things are minute things which, before taking a trade, if it will take some time for you to get practice and get used to these things, to level the thumb rules and all. But once you'll understand this, this will be very easy while taking the trade. So just keep on practicing what I'm telling you, that how to take the trades and why it was avoided. Just pay attention at what I'm saying, because it's very important. And the main purpose of making these videos is that you guys should not have losses at any cost, and this is our main thing. It's just not that we are making profits. I want everyone, each and everyone who is using Boomi should have profit and only profit. And when they just close the laptop for the day, their pockets should be full of profits. Okay, now continuing here, the sell trend star here is in red and black zone, so no sell again. This sell was at 3 o'clock, 3:15, so no trade. Again, SBI gave a sell here, the star here, and then there was a rejection candle. It was 2:30, but I just tried to cash the wave when Nifty was falling in the later period. So here I entered at 2:30 just for a short scalp, and exited with a profit of 90 paisa only, but its lot size is 3000, so it gave me a decent profit of 2700 in SBIN. Shree Cement, no trade. Reason, first thing first is it was post 2 o'clock and the risk to reward is bad here. Here sell again, the risk to reward is bad, and the first star here, which was at 9:15, it was in black zone, so no trade. Tata Steel again, the downtrend star is in black, no trade. Then this was in zone, so 11:30, valid entry candle, but risk to reward is bad, so no trade entry taken on this particular candle. So noted in Tata Steel. Entered in Techem. It gave a sell first, 9:45, no trade because it did not give the breakout here proper. Then it gave a star here, 11:15. It is in black zone, so no trade. Then it gave a buy here at 1:15. Here I entered 1 o'clock. Here I entered at 1:15 candle open. Put my SL around this low of this candle here, because it's already it's touching the red line, so I have to keep it just below the last previous candle. It tried to touch it, but it didn't touch it. So exit the profit at no profit, no loss in Techem. Then UPL, the star is in black zone, also post 2 o'clock, no trade here. Vedal, it gave a buy, but it didn't break out the green line, so no trade here for the buy. Then Wipro, the same thing. It started the rally already. It was in continuation of the yesterday's buy in star, but it did not give any fresh entry here, so no entries based on any label or any star here. Well, the star was there on 2:15 candle, but it is in black zone and also post 2 o'clock, so no trade again in Wipro. And last but not the least is Zeal. The sell up the downtrend star, the red star is at 2:15 candle and in black zone, so no trade. Sell is again at 3 o'clock, so no point of taking the sell anyways if it would be within the timeline. The risk to reward is bad in this, so no trade in Zeal either. Well, these were all the stocks which were traded, especially on the expiry day, when there are only reds in the portfolios for most of the people. But with Bhumi, we exit with profit, with a good profit, and I will be giving in the description how was the profit and how many trades were there and how many SLs were hit. But end of the day, it was a good profitable day. Um, Very important part, I want you guys to tell you that this market trap is not to show what profit Bhumi is giving. This market trap is to tell you guys, to teach you guys, and to educate you guys that how effortlessly you can use absolute levels. Just you have to have a practice for few days. Just practice for few days. You can, if you want, you can just back test your stocks, your favorite stocks which you actually trade. Just back test that, and just follow what I am giving you here, the rules, the thumb rules here. That, like for example, the first and most important thing is no trades are taken if there is either a star or a buy or sell label in black zone, that is the no trade zone. Do not enter any trade. If you're already in a trade and there's a continuation is going on, that's a different story. But do not enter any fresh trade in black zone. So that's the first and foremost rule. So it shows that zones are the first thing which you have to look for a trade. So first thing you have to look is there should be a zone. Then second thing you have to look is there should be a star or sell or buy label, right? So this is all the trades for day. Thank you so much for listening me. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. It will motivate me for making more and more videos for you guys. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.